One of the questions I get all the time is what are the mistakes that clients can make when they're seriously injured in a car accident? And one mistake that I often see is I just got a call the other day, in fact, from a client who was in an accident 2 months earlier and has called me to pursue a claim against the driver that caused the accident, but she never went to see a doctor initially. She said her back and neck were bothering her. They were bothering her from the outset when the accident happened. I said, well, why didn't you go to the hospital? Well, I had to get home to my children, or, sometimes I had to get to work, but it was really bothering me. Well, why didn't you go see a doctor, between then and now? For the same reasons. I was too busy, I had to go to work. It's a problem. It's a problem. If you suffered an injury and you're experiencing pain, you need to seek medical attention right away. That's one problem that I often see, and I think it's one of the biggest ones. The second biggest one is when a client is not honest with the attorney. When a client comes to see me, I'm going to ask questions like, were you ever in an accident before? Did you ever suffer an injury to your neck, back, knee, whatever the injury might be? And if the answer is should be yes, but is no, it could be problematic down the road. It is extremely important that a client be honest with the attorney so the attorney can properly represent and guide the client through the process.